Let's talk about manifesting money. Not the glitter version, not the magical version, not the just think rich version, the grounded version. Many people say, just manifest it. But if manifestation worked by itself, everyone who wanted money would already have it. So what are we really talking about when we say manifest? Manifestation at its core is attention. What you consistently think about influences what you consistently notice, and what you consistently notice influences what you consistently do. Money does not appear because you imagine it. It appears because your behavior aligns with your intention. That is the version that actually works. Let's say you want more income. Magical manifestation says, visualize wealth. Practical manifestation says, clarify your earning strategy. Magical manifestation says, believe harder. Practical manifestation says, track your skills. Study market demand. Close your earning gaps. You don't manifest money. You position yourself to receive it. And positioning requires clarity. Clarity requires honesty. And honesty is uncomfortable. Some people say they want financial freedom, but they don't want to increase income. They don't want to reduce spending. They don't want to learn new skills. That isn't manifestation. That is fantasy. Real manifestation is identity alignment. If you are a builder, you expand skill. If you are a stabilizer, you build safety. If you are a rebuilder, you repair damage. If you are a protector, you strengthen systems. Notice something. None of this requires magic. It requires consistency. Let's talk about attention again. If you constantly say, I'm bad with money, your brain looks for proof. If you say, I'm learning to manage money better, your brain looks for opportunity. This is not spiritual. It is neurological. What you rehearse mentally becomes easier behaviorally, but positive thinking without behavioral change creates frustration. Expectation rises. Action stays the same. Real manifestation looks quieter. It looks like tracking expenses weekly, applying for opportunities consistently, investing in skill, saying no to lifestyle inflation. These behaviors compound, and compounding is the closest thing money has to magic. Money responds to structure, not vibes, not hope, not wishful thinking. Structure, systems, repetition. Ask yourself, are you manifesting or avoiding discomfort? Growth feels uncomfortable because it stretches your identity. But stretching is different from pretending. If you want more money, you need 3 things: clarity, skill, consistency. That is manifestation in practical form. Not dramatic, not viral, but powerful. In 2026, don't manifest wealth. Manifest discipline. Manifest structure. Manifest identity alignment. And wealth becomes more probable. Comment below. Do you believe manifestation works? Or do you believe alignment works better? Choose action over illusion. because calm money is not magic. It is intentional. Subscribe to Freedom Years Project for more action-oriented topics on earning, saving, and investing this 2026. Do not forget to click the notification bell for more financial freedom series made for you.